Hello, I'm Jeremiah, and welcome to Wolfenburg Flat Roofing. We're an Ottawa-based company that specializes in flat roof systems. And at Wolfenburg, we don't settle for anything short of the best. We abide by our 3E formula, which is effectiveness, efficient, economical. This is the foundation for our business, and our focus on excellence has shaped who we are today. When you work with us, you gain access to 25 years of industry experience and knowledge for any flat roofing project, and our employees have the training and experience to work with every type of roof system. We are fully certified, insured, and bonded with the financial strength to handle projects of any size or complexity, whether it be residential, commercial, or industrial roofing systems. Whether you are a landlord interested in replacing your roof or a developer looking for new roof builds, our experts are here to serve your needs. Contact us today for a complimentary consultation. Hey, thanks for watching. We're looking forward to meeting you.